So today I'm going to show you how to measure and mix epoxy the right way. So there are three ways you can measure your epoxy. One, you can use your measuring cup, your regular measuring cup. So this is a reusable measuring cup. So once you're done using it, you need to wash it. So, or you can use your scale, your weight scale, or you can use a regular plastic cup with the lines. So I can use my lines to measure my epoxy. So sometimes my reusable cup is dirty, and so I just use a drinking plastic cup to and use the lines for measurements. So what we are going to do now, we are going to, guys, remember epoxy is strong, so you need to wear your mask, and it's sticky, so you need to wear your gloves. All right, so I already pre-poured my epoxy, but so this is what I did. I poured part A in this cup, and then I put part B in this cup. So this is the way I use the scale. So this is my part A here. So what you guys can do so you don't mix them up, you can actually write A on the cup and B on that cup. That way you don't mix them up, but I know where I placed them. So here is A. So I'm going to weigh it. Okay, so this is 2.6. So 2.6 ounce. So we want to have the same amount of A and B. So when you're pouring it, you can put it on top and measure it that way. So the same thing here, you put your cup on top and then you measure part B. So we have 2.6 and 2.6. So it's equal. We want to have, it's a 1-to-1 mixture. So so it's good. So now this is my part B. So we want to put, oops, I almost messed up. So now, remember, we have to pour it the right way. So this is A. So we are going to pour, let me put it on top, guys, so you guys can see. All right, so now this is A. So we are going to pour B into A. If it's not done the right way, then it's not gonna mix properly. Okay, so now I need my wood stick so I can mix. So what I found out is to mix slowly. Sometimes I tend to rush, but the best way is to go slowly. That way you don't get too much bubbles. So we're gonna, right now it's cloudy. I'm not sure if you guys can see. My epoxy is very cloudy. So I'm going to keep mixing until I get a clear epoxy. I would like you guys to see that. So you see how cloudy it is? So I'm going to keep mixing until it's clear. See, I like to rush. But then I get so much bubbles and it doesn't, your final piece doesn't look great because you have so many bubbles. Okay, it could take, I'm thinking like about 3 minutes so you know, it takes a little time, so it takes patience to work with epoxy. So okay, so let's see. Oh, I think I need a little more mixing. I still see the cloudiness? Almost there. Okay, so once it's getting there, guys, it's getting there, it's almost clear, but I got quite a few bubbles. So in order to get rid of the bubbles, what I found out that works is to have your epoxy sit a little bit. So just wait like about 5 minutes before you work with it. Or you can of course use your blow dryer or your heat gun to blow the bubbles out. So working with epoxy again is a lot of patience, and I don't have patience. So a lot of times I prematurely start working with my things, or I take it out of the mold before it cures, and I mess up my work. But so, you know, it helps you be more patient. Okay, guys, this is so clear. I hope you'll be able to see it. This is very clear. Okay. So what I'm going to do, because I do not have a lot of time, I could let it sit, and so the bubbles can pop on their own. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the heat gun. I do not like sticky. It's already bothering me. Okay, so let's see. Oh, I can use the blow dryer. I'm not sure. The blow dryer is right there. All right, so let me get the blow dryer. Okay. All right. So can be a little costly by changing so many gloves, so try to be able to reuse the gloves, put it in a waste so that you don't have to throw it out. Okay. All right, guys, so I'm gonna use the blow dryer because it's right there. All right, guys. Okay. All right. So I'm going to use the same gloves that I had before. I don't want it in my hands because I do not want my hands to be sticky. All right, so, okay. So I'm not gonna be doing too much today, just a little something. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to, I'm not putting any flakes. I'm just gonna keep it clear, or any color. So guys, I'm going to use these molds to do two coasters, two types of coasters, a square one and a round one. So here we go. Oh, that's fine. Okay. So I'm just gonna keep it clear, nothing too fancy. All right, here we go. Okay, so now it's clear. I think I have to take off my glasses, guys, because it, you know, I can't see close up and far away with those glasses. It's either or. All right, so, all right, am I there yet? I can't see. It's clear. Okay, I think I'm there, but I can smell it. It's strong. Okay, so I'm putting my glasses back. Okay, so All right. So just make sure your mold is nice and flat so that your piece doesn't come out crooked or, you know, one side higher than the other. So, and then we can put a little more because the epoxy will go down a little bit. um, when it's curing, it will shrink a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. So what I so let me see if I have bubbles. I have to check if I have bubbles, guys. Okay. And then one thing to note, Let's Resin is very good. That's the one I'm choosing to use now because it comes out so clear and it's not cloudy as other brands that I've used. So I love to use it. It's a little more pricey, but you know, it works better. So I'm going to put my blow dryer on high because I need enough heat to blow the bubbles. Okay, I have a lot of, I filled it to the top, so it's pouring out a little bit, but that's fine. I should have used the heat gun, but. Okay, I don't think I have that much bubbles, and like I said, guys, this epoxy is very good, so we don't it it doesn't have that much bubbles anyway. So, all right, so now we are all set, and then I'm just gonna let it cure. So it will take about 24 to 48 hours, but because I don't have a lot of patience, I usually take it out the next day. So so once it's all done, I'm going to show you guys how it came out. I'm going to actually use like a gold trim around this. Hopefully, you know, it will look nice. So that's it, guys. So that's it for today. So I'm going to show you how it came out. If I don't do another video, you can go to my store. It's in the description. I will post it there. So and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.